Welcome back, truck enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of performance upgrades with a focus on the best Catback exhaust systems for the mighty Ram TRX. If you're looking to unleash more power, refine your truck's growl, and turn heads with every rev, you're in the right place. We'll explore top contenders that offer the perfect blend of performance gains and distinctive sound to take your TRX to the next level. Stay tuned as we break down the options and help you find the ideal upgrade for your beast on wheels. At number 5 is the AFE Power Catback Exhaust System. The AFE Power 49-32084B Vulcan Series Catback Exhaust System represents a top-tier upgrade tailored for the 2021 Ram 1500 TRX, combining premium materials with advanced engineering to deliver enhanced performance and a commanding exhaust sound. Crafted from 3-3 to 1/2-inch mandrel-bent 304 stainless steel tubing, this system ensures maximum durability and unrestricted exhaust flow, crucial for optimizing engine performance. The dual 6-inch diameter black 304 stainless steel exhaust tips not only enhance the truck's aesthetic appeal, but also contribute to the aggressive exhaust note characteristic of the muffler delete configuration. A standout feature of the Vulcan series is its integrated X-pipe and crossover balance tube. These components work harmoniously to equalize exhaust pulses, effectively minimizing cabin drone and improving overall sound quality. This engineering refinement ensures that while the exhaust note is bold and assertive, it remains refined and pleasant during various driving conditions. For installation convenience and reliability, the system utilizes factory-style flanges and hangers, facilitating a secure fit onto the Ram 1500 TRX without modification. This approach not only simplifies the installation process, but also ensures compatibility with existing mounting points. At number 4 is the Auto Dynasty 3" OD-tip Catback Exhaust System. The Auto Dynasty 3" OD-tip Catback Exhaust System is a robust upgrade option for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models manufactured between 1998 and 2001. Constructed from high-quality aluminized steel, it features computerized mandrel bends that enhance its strength and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance under various driving conditions. One of the standout features of this exhaust system is its ability to deliver an aggressive deep sound without compromising on the smooth flow of exhaust gases. This not only enhances the auditory experience of driving, but also contributes to improved engine efficiency. With a piping inlet size of 3" ID and a major piping diameter of 3 ID, the system is optimized for efficient exhaust gas movement, which can lead to enhanced overall engine performance. Dyno testing has confirmed a significant increase in horsepower by 20 to 25 and boosts low-end torque, making it a practical choice for those seeking both power gains and improved throttle response. However, it's worth noting that the exhaust tip is not included with the system, which means you may need to purchase or customize one separately to match your preferred aesthetic or functional requirements. At number 3 is the MagnaFlow Catback Performance Exhaust System. The MagnaFlow Street Series Catback Performance Exhaust System for the 2009 to 2023 Ram 1500 with the V8 5.7L engine is a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking a balance of enhanced performance and refined sound. Designed specifically to augment power and exterior sound without compromising interior comfort, this exhaust system features fast-flowing mandrel-bent pipes and strategically sized mufflers. This configuration reduces exhaust restriction, allowing for a distinctive MagnaFlow performance tone while maintaining a moderate sound level that avoids excessive attention. Installation is straightforward with its bolt-on design, facilitated by MagnaFlow's use of state-of-the-art 3D scanning technology. This ensures a precise fit that not only matches but surpasses OEM standards, optimizing both performance and ease of installation. Constructed from durable black-coated stainless steel, the exhaust not only resists corrosion exceptionally well, but also adds a premium look to your vehicle. The CNC Precision Robotic Manufacturing guarantees consistent quality and fitment, ensuring longevity throughout the life of your Ram 1500. MagnaFlow stands behind their product with a limited lifetime construction warranty, demonstrating confidence in the exhaust system's durability and craftsmanship. Additionally, the black-coated finish is covered by a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind against defects or premature wear. At number 2 is the MaxFlow Xtreme Catback Performance Exhaust System. The MaxFlow Xtreme Catback Performance Exhaust System for the 2019 to 2021 Ram models offers a compelling upgrade for enthusiasts seeking enhanced performance and a distinctive exhaust note. Constructed from premium T304 austenitic stainless steel, known for its exceptional resistance to rust and corrosion, this system ensures durability and longevity even in harsh environments. The use of 300 series stainless steel weld filler further enhances the system's overall quality, contributing to its robust build and reliability. Smooth mandrel bend angles are employed throughout, optimizing airflow for maximum performance gains and a refined exhaust sound. Installation is simplified thanks to CNC manufacturing, which ensures precise fitment to OEM specifications. This not only reduces installation time, but also minimizes the need for adjustments or modifications during setup. A standout feature of the MaxFlow Xtreme system is its MaxFlow Xtreme muffler, designed to deliver a rich and aggressive tone that enhances the vehicle's auditory presence. This combination of quality materials, precision engineering, and tuned exhaust sound makes it an ideal choice for Ram owners looking to elevate both performance and aesthetics. At number 1 is the Flowmaster Catback Exhaust System. The Flowmaster 817477 American Thunder Catback Exhaust System is tailored for Ram trucks equipped with exhaust cutouts in the rear bumper, offering a blend of robust construction, enhanced performance, and an aggressive exhaust note. Crafted from mandrel bent 16-gauge stainless steel tubing, this system ensures durability and optimal exhaust flow. The dual-outlet 50 Series HD Performance Muffler is a standout feature, delivering a moderately aggressive exterior exhaust tone that resonates with enthusiasts seeking a deeper, more assertive sound profile. Installation is a breeze according to customer feedback, thanks to the system's design that facilitates quick and straightforward mounting. Users appreciate the ease with which they can enhance their vehicle's sound and performance without the need for extensive modifications. The polished 4.00-inch stainless steel tips add a touch of elegance to the truck's rear, enhancing its visual appeal while complementing the aggressive sound generated by the exhaust system. Customer reviews highlight the positive impact on performance, with mentions of increased power and improved gas mileage. However, opinions on firmness vary, suggesting that individual preferences for exhaust note intensity might influence overall satisfaction.